Heto ang isa sa magiging top na work from home job this 2026. Tawag dito, HubSpot Specialist. Hi, Lester here. So kung sawang-sawa ka na sa paulit-ulit na admin tasks, ito yung isa sa pwedeng magbigay sa'yo sa next level sa iyong work from home career. So anong gagawin? You'll organize data like a pro. Manage ng leads, ng emails, ng pipelines sa isang system lang. Wala nang manual tracking sa Google Sheets or Excel. You can help business make faster and better decisions. So madali lang siyang aralin at maraming company naghahanap sa buong mundo. Tapos meron pang free certification for beginners like you. Wala ditong coding required. Though kung marunong ka mag-code, pwede rin, makakatulong siya. Pero it's mostly drag and drop. So ayon sa research, it will increase your potential to get jobs by 40% if you know HubSpot. So bakit hinahanap ng mga foreigners, yung mga Filipinos to do HubSpot for them? Yung naturally, data-oriented tayo and we have patience in terms of data work. Siyempre, English proficient tayo. So we can easily communicate with English-speaking countries like US, UK, Australia, and a lot of English-speaking countries in the world. And of course, we are known for our reliability and trustworthiness. So, what are you waiting for? Learn HubSpot now. Go to www.hubspot.com, create your free account, and go to the HubSpot Academy and start learning everything about HubSpot. If you want to learn more, you can also like this video and share it and comment HubSpot, and it will give you all the things that you might need para makapagsimula ka. Hope that helps. See you in the next one. Bye.